welcome to the Capital Breakfast Show. How are you today? 8:29, it's showery, it's Des, Stephen and Amy.
So you might remember, probably about this time last week actually, we were talking about this TV show.
If this is the final series, I feel like everyone in Scotland, certainly in comedy, has been in Still Game. I've never been in it.
You've never been in Still Game?
I'm making it a mission. I want to be in Still Game.
So, it was the final season of Still Game.
Yeah.
And you were saying, Des, you've never been in it. So, Des, what's your news this morning?
Well, the cat is out of the bag. I talked about it last week on the show, and you know how you just say these things and sometimes you think, oh, that'll go nowhere. Someone somewhere was listening. I'm going to be in the new series of Still Game. I'm legit not even joking. In the first episode of the new series.
Are you serious?
I swear to you, this is like a dream come true. I honestly, I love the show.
I was going to say, it's absolutely amazing news. Like,
yeah,
genuinely, like I'm thrilled for you because imagine being in Still Game must be so cool.
The proudest
you must
moment
be
of your
looking
life.
forward to it.
I mean, forget the Commonwealth Games.
Yeah.
The proudest moment will be your appearance in Still Game.
Obviously, doing this show is the proudest bit. No, honestly, it is just, you know, I love Ford and Greg. Everybody loves Still Game. Iconic show. And to be in it, knowing it's the last series as well, to even just get a wee part in it, that is special. I'm really proud of that.
What will you be doing? What's your part?
Well, before we get to your part, Des, I think we should probably rewind a bit, and because you know how you got the part. Because after you said that last week, Des, I sent a few emails.
Right.
And I made it happen. I made your dreams come true.
Stephen, you take credit for this.
They call me the dream maker. I'm delighted that all my hard work is paid off for you.
Honestly, if you have helped, well, thanks, mate.
No, I think it's an amazing thing. But you're right, Amy. What are you going to do in it, Des?
Yeah, that's the thing.
What we need to discuss.
Stephen's got you in there. We've got you guaranteed on the first episode, but what are you going to do? That's what we need to do.
A, I don't think he's got me in there. B, I have a script. I know what I'm doing.
No. That's a fake script. That's a dummy script.
What? You've got the real script?
I've got the real script.
All right, okay.
Just wait and see.
You take credit for this.
They call me the dream maker. I'm delighted that all my hard work is paid off for you.
Honestly, if you have helped, well, thanks, mate.
No, I think it's an amazing thing. But you're right, Amy. What are you going to do in it, Des?
Yeah, that's the thing.
What we need to discuss.
Stephen's got you in there. We've got you guaranteed on the first episode, but what are you going to do? That's what we need to do.
A, I don't think he's got me in there. B, I have a script. I know what I'm doing.
No. That's a fake script. That's a dummy script.
What? You've got the real script?
I've got the real script.
All right, okay.
Just wait and see.
Like, are you going to be able to tell me?
I can tell you a few things.
Oh, no, man. What is happening here? Capital Breakfast. This better not be a wind-up, by the way.